dust collectors. They are a non-negotiable at the nail table. I mean it. It doesn't matter if you're a DIY or pro. In today's video, we'll be doing a side-by-side comparison of the Anemone Portable Dust Collector and the new MelodySusie with the efile handpiece attachment. Greetings and welcome back. I am Paola of PaolaPonceNails.com, and I help nail stylists master long-range gel nails and solopreneurship in the nail industry. If this sounds like a niche you'll like to learn more about, please consider subscribing. So here are our two key players today. Again, the Anemone Portable Dust Collector and the new MelodySusie with an efile handpiece attachment. A few things you should know before we get started. The Anemone I purchased with my educator discount, and the MelodySusie was sent to me for a fair and honest review, and I thought what better way to do this and serve you than to compare it side by side to a super professional grade machine like the Anemone. MelodySusie is an American founded brand whose mission is to provide the highest quality yet affordable salon grade products to the at-home DIY user. Anemone is a Korean brand currently being distributed here in the US by Zillabeau, who also happens to be the distributor of one of my favorite Japanese gels, and that is Leafgel. So let's unbox these two babies. Wow. Both machines are stunning. They look super elegant. I really like the sleekness of the Anemone and the chicness of the MelodySusie. It's almost like you can choose one or the other just based on your personality. But let's not do that quite yet. Let's dive into their specs. The Anemone measures approximately 10 inches long by 8 inches wide and 2.5 inches tall. It weighs a little over 3 pounds. It comes with 50 high quality 1 to 2 time use filters, and these also sell separately. A 50 pack costs you $19. The MelodySusie is approximately 10 by 10 inches, like a square, and also is about 2.5 inches tall. It weighs a little less than 2.5 pounds, and that is with the attached efile handpiece. And you should know that this handpiece is optional. They do offer the option of just the dust collector unit. The MelodySusie comes with one filter that should be replaced every 3 to 4 months depending on usage, and they do sell a 2-pack option for just $11. Each machine has a 1 key convenience factor. The Anemone has the option for you to go completely cordless. The MelodySusie has the convenience of attaching their efile handpiece to the dust collector there. Other than that, these machine specifications are pretty similar. They're about the same size and about the same weight. As far as power goes, I've been using both for a few months now, and I can tell you that both collect a significant amount of dust away from your breathing zone. As with any dust capturing source, the closer you can work to the unit, the better capture there will be. So especially make sure that when you are hand filing away, that you do not stray away too far from your collector. So I want to let you hear now how loud these machines can sound. And actually they are relatively quieter than the first versions of dust collectors, but just like you've never met a silent floor vacuum or a blow dryer, you'll probably never be able to get rid of the noise fully with these dust collectors. So let's listen now. Not too bad, right? All right, now let's see the power of the dust suction of each. No. Not bad at all either, right? Now we haven't covered the price for each, so let's do that now. The Anemone Portable retails on Zillabeau for $370. The MelodySusie retails for $129.99 with the handpiece attachment. Remember, there is an option without it, and that is approximately $70. Now in the description box below, I'll link you to some currently active promo codes for each brand, and if you haven't already watched, I did a dedicated review about a year ago on the OG, the Valentino Beauty Pure Dust Collecting Machine. So if that's a unit you're considering, do click the tab up top to watch or check it out with the link in the description box below. Also, the MelodySusie stays true to their brand purpose. Their filter is not one-time use, which I think is detrimental for salon work, especially nowadays. So I think that this unit is excellent for at-home DIY use, which is why I say they're true to brand, as I already mentioned that earlier in their mission statement. But I am seriously blown away by its look and quality, even like if you would happen to use it for salon work here and there. But again, the filter, you do have to switch it out. So I don't know, maybe you can use the Anemone filter on top of the MelodySusie. You can try it out. The Anemone is what I would go for salon use. It just has that warranty period, you know, blanket security. It's got the single-use filters going on, and it has power for continuous usage. It is available for anyone that wants it though. So if you're DIY at home and you can afford it, by all means, right? Again, I'll link you to both products down below in the description box. Just a word of caution with the Anemone though, every time it's in stock, it quickly sells out. So sorry for the FOMO. I did kind of have to put a pre-order for mine. If you've enjoyed this video, do support this channel by giving it a thumbs up. I post videos like this one weekly, so make sure you're subscribed and you hit the notification bell below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!